There is a famous quotation by a former US president: "Men make history and not the other way round." In periods where there is no leadership, society stands still. Progress occurs when courageous, skillful leaders seize the opportunity to change things for the better. This, in a sense, describes succinctly the personality of Padma Bhushan Dr. Rajendra Singh Paroda, a visionary leader, agricultural research scientist, architect of several research institutions, policy advisor, educator, networker, and above all, a very humble human being. Born on August 28, 1942, at Ajmer, Rajasthan, he is the eldest of the 5 children of his parents, Ram Karan Singh and Indira Devi. He obtained school education from Government School in village Saradhana and Government High School in Ajmer. He pursued BSc in Agriculture from DAV College, Ajmer, and was a recipient of gold medal in Master's degree in Genetics and Plant Breeding from University of Udaipur. For his PhD, he got selected at the prestigious Indian Agricultural Research Institute, where he worked on genetic architecture of wheat. He drew inspiration from great stalwarts like late Dr. B.P. Pal and late Dr. A.B. Joshi. After obtaining his doctorate degree in 1968, he went to University of Wales, Aberystwyth, UK on a Commonwealth postdoctoral fellowship. He started his career in 1971 as a forage breeder in the Department of Plant Breeding of Haryana Agriculture University. In short succession, he rose to higher position of Professor and Head and Associate Director of Research. In 1985, he became the Director of the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, and in 1987, he moved to ICAR as the Deputy Director General of Crop Sciences Division. After a brief stint as Regional Plant Production and Protection Officer at FAO Bangkok, in 1994, he provided dynamic leadership as Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research and Secretary, Department of Agricultural Research and Education. As DG ICAR, Dr. Paroda ably spearheaded and modernized the National Agricultural Research System in the country from 1994 to 2001. During his leadership of ICAR, more than 30 new institutions were created in different sectors of agriculture. The prestigious National Agriculture Technology Project (NATP) of the World Bank was designed by him to reorient agricultural research, education and extension system to meet new challenges. Dr. Paroda is well known for initiating and strengthening many visionary programs at the national level, like Special Hybrid Research Program, Special Food Grain Production Program, initiation of new seed policy to promote public-private partnership, drafting for enactment of Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Act, and promotion of biotechnology. He has the unique distinction of being the main architect of one of the world's largest and most modern national gene bank at NBPGR, housing invaluable germplasm of different crop plants numbering more than 420,000 accessions and ranks the second largest in the world today. The most impressive National Agricultural Science Centre complex located at Pusa campus was built mainly due to his vision, initiative and dedication. He has made significant research contributions in the field of plant breeding and genetic resource management, which is evident from the release of 10 improved crop varieties at the national level, 250 research papers in journals of repute, 10 books, and more than 25 proceedings of national, international conferences and expert consultations held in different parts of Asia Pacific, Europe, and Latin America. The International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics at Hyderabad and Agriculture Research Institute of Kazakhstan have named their gene banks after Dr. Paroda in recognition of his notable contributions in the field of genetic resource management. In fact, he is often called a gene bank guru by his friends and admirers. Dr. Paroda has received several national and international awards and recognitions. In 1998, Government of India recognized his remarkable contribution to Indian agriculture by conferring upon him one of the highest civilian awards, the Padma Bhushan. He has been awarded fellowship by several national science academies like INSA, NAS, NASI, and was elected as General President of the prestigious Indian Science Congress in 2000-2001. Dr. Paroda has been conferred Honorary Doctorate of Science by 15 academic institutions including Ohio State University and Indian Agricultural Research Institute. He has been acknowledged internationally for his scientific leadership. He has served as founder president of Global Forum on Agricultural Research, GAFAR, from 1988 to 2001. He also served for more than 2 decades as Executive Secretary of Asia Pacific Association of Agricultural Research Institutions, APARI, a well-known regional forum fostered by him to strengthen regional research collaboration. Till recently, Dr. Paroda worked for the overall benefit of farmers as Chairman, Farmers Commission of Haryana, Chairman of Working Group on Agriculture and member of Rajasthan Planning Board. He was mainly responsible for the drafting and release of state agriculture policies both in Haryana and Rajasthan. He has spearheaded the organization of a number of symposia, conferences and seminars to promote the cause of science nationally, regionally and globally. At a regional level, in his capacity as Executive Secretary of APARI, he conceptualized and organized more than 25 regional expert consultations on highly thematic issues in different parts of Asia Pacific. To promote science and scientific fraternity, Dr. Paroda has been associated with several national scientific societies. He has been president of many like Indian Society of Genetics and Plant Breeding, Oilseeds Research, Forage Research, Desert Technology, Allelopathy, Plant Biochemistry and Biotechnology, Plant Physiology, Agricultural Statistics, Orchid and Microbiologists. He started the Indian Society of Plant Genetic Resources in 1987 and is presently providing able leadership as its president. Behind every successful man stands a very supportive family. So is the case with Dr. Paroda. He has been lucky to have his graceful wife, Shashi Paroda, as a proverbial pillar of strength all through. She worked as a soil microbiologist at Chaudhry Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University for 37 years. Post-retirement, she is happy and contented in her new role as a full-time homemaker and enjoying her health, spiritual and charity pursuits. His firstborn Anju is as vivacious and hardworking as him and is blessed with 2 children, Vikrant and Nishi. His second-born Sonal, as dedicated and daring as him, is married to Victor and has a son Mohak and a daughter Yashi. His youngest child Prashant is as focused and intelligent as him. He is married to charming Shipra and is blessed with 2 daughters, Aryana and Amira. Presently, Dr. Paroda is the chairman of Trust for Advancement of Agricultural Science at New Delhi, which aims to link science with society. He has taken on the mantle to promote growth and advancement of agriculture through scientific interactions and partnerships.
My motto in life has been to serve the society with human face and create a required infrastructure for colleagues to perform to their best ability. My message to the youth is to embrace agriculture as their profession, to serve the society and also empower farmers for better livelihood.
All his colleagues, friends, well-wishers and family members joined together in wishing a very happy 75th birthday to Dr. R.S. Paroda. May he have a long, healthy and prosperous life and continue to remain a torchbearer for achieving highly sustainable, evergreen revolution in India and continue serving the global farming community with a human face.